Hello. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and maybe looking at me, I don't know, that would be cool. I tried to do a Madison Beer inspired makeup look and outfit, and this is the result. I had a lot of fun filming this for you guys. I hope you enjoy, so if you want to know how I got this entire look, please keep on watching. Good morning. It is almost 10 a.m. right now as I'm filming, and we are going to start this entire transformation with makeup. I'm not planning on actually doing a full-on transformation, trying to change my facial features with contouring or anything like that. This is more of an inspired makeup look, so inspired makeup and outfit, all of that. And I'm gonna try to find a picture and show you what I'm kind of trying to go for. Let's just get started. So as I said, I'm going to just be doing kind of an inspired look, so the makeup I'm doing is still kind of like me, what I would usually do. There is not much difference there. So I'm going to start off just with some BB cream, and let's talk a little bit about Madison. I think I just found her on Instagram some years ago, and I thought that she looked very pretty, and yeah, kind of became a fan that way. What I love about her is she is so real, so genuine. It's coming out with an album in February now. February. I can never say that word. And I'm excited to hear about it. Her music is really my taste. So I think she's a very good artist. I don't know how some people can still not acknowledge her singing skills. I think that is just like... I'm going to apply some concealer now. Everything I'm using I'll link down below, so you can just watch and enjoy, and if you want to know what product I use, you can look it up. I'm just going to apply underneath my eye some concealer. This is way more than I would usually do, but for today's look, let's go. I'm using a flat foundation brush. I really like to use this for my concealer. And I'm starting underneath my eye. And I'm just blending that out in tappy motions. So what I love about Madison's makeup is that she is very natural. Not that she's not wearing makeup, but it's the technique. Like the way she applies her makeup just looks so flippin' natural. She has done some live videos on Instagram, and most of them you can find on YouTube. I really like her makeup. It is always very, I don't know, like rosy-ish, very bronzy, but with rosy sunburned like cheeks and a lot of highlighter. Always very glowy skin. This is as flawless as my skin will get. Going to bronze now along my forehead. Forehead. I think it's so cool how Australian, oh my holy, how people from Australia say it, like forehead. I don't even know. I love the Australian accent. Sometimes I even catch myself when I speak English, because English is not my first language. I catch myself having so many different accents. Sometimes it sounds kind of Australian. You know, instead of saying can't, I don't know why I got used to saying can't, and I don't know, I'm trying to get rid of that again and say can't, but can't sounds now so wrong to me because I always say can't. I don't know. I just love how they say no. I think it's so cool. I just love it. Love, 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 love. Am I even saying it right? Australia. Isn't that like the Australian way to say it? Australia. Australia, right? I don't even know. And this has nothing to do with Madison, I just want to point it out. When I bronze, I prefer to go in slowly and build up rather than having a big brown blob all over and you can't get rid of it. Applying a little bit more on my cheeks than I usually do. Still not really contouring or anything. I'm pretty much just bronzing up. Thing I think is very key here is to take some bronzer and apply it on your nose. Madison usually has a very bronzy, rosy colored nose. I think that really brings that almost like Pinterest type of makeup look together. Going in with a blush that kind of reminds me of her skin. This is from MAC and it's Peachy Keen. Has the most beautiful rosy, goldeny sheen and shimmer to it. Bring the glow on, I guess. I am bringing it a little bit lower because I like a very glowy front cheek right here, so I'm bringing it a little lower. Blend, blend, blend. I don't know why this blush is called Peachy Keen because it definitely doesn't have any peachiness in it. I think it's like a straight up rosy color. I don't know. I also want to excuse that if the lighting changes, you know, throughout the video, I feel like my videos get lighter. That is because, again, I'm filming in the morning, so it's still going to lighten up a bit, which is why I can't film even earlier because it would be such a drastic change. Take some and put it on the nose. Highlighter. When I think of her skin, I think of a very champagne-y, goldeny highlight. So I'm going in with Champagne Pop, which usually, as you can tell, would be too dark for me. But for this look, I thought, okay, I'll just take a little bit, blend it out very nicely. Moonstone is more suited for my skin, but I think Champagne Pop just has more of an impact. I'm going to apply some onto my nose, only at the very tip, because I do have a pretty high nose bridge and I just don't want to emphasize that even more. On my Cupid's bow and a little bit on the cheeks. I always do this kind of like a C shape and I go all over my cheek to really, really blend it. I never swipe it because I feel like when you swipe, you take off product. To quickly curl my lashes. For the eyes, it's going to be super simple. The look I'm going for is a very light eyelid. So I'm actually just taking like a very light highlighter and I'm going to pop this all over the eyelid with my highlight brush. In a lot of her pictures, she has those very light eyelids, very bright inner eye corner, so that's why I'm taking this highlighter. Sprayed a very small detailed brush with some water, and to make this pop even more, I'm taking a gold color and I'm applying it my tear duct to really make it pop. I'm going to add just a little bit of dimension now to my eyes. I'm taking just a very light pinky color, very light pink, fluffy brush. Going to add that into my crease and the outer part just to incorporate a little bit more pink again. I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I have noticed with her she has a very feline type of eyeliner, so I'm not going to line my entire eye, just lining from the middle portion outwards. And then she also sometimes has the inner corners kind of like, you know, very fierce pointy inwards. First I like to, with my eyeliner, do almost like little dashes along my lash line. So it's kind of like building a foundation, you know, just starting slow and then adding on. Once I did that, I then go in and attempt a slight wing that looks super messy, but that is okay because I always go back in with an eyeshadow. Dark brown color, and that's when I trace the line again. I'm trying the inner corner. That's so weird. Okay, that is the eyeliner done as best as I can. I'm going in with some mascara to kind of pull everything together. So I finished my mascara pretty quickly off camera. I just coated my lashes one time. Now I'm going to do my brows. Madison's brows are pretty thick and arched, but still look very natural. I'm going to start off low here underneath my brow Now I'm going to fill in the outer portion. I'm going to arch my brow more than I usually would. I think Madison has very unique eyebrows, so it's a little difficult to try and recreate them. So I'm kind of just filling in mine how I almost would do anyways, but with a little bit of a twist. I'm starting underneath my brow, create a strong line. The other one doesn't. I'm going to coat my brows now with some brow gel. This is going to make them look a lot more bushy, and I think it also brings everything nicely together. I love this brow gel from Essence. I've been using it for so many years and I always go back to it. I don't even want to try an expensive one because for its price it just does what I want. It gives my brows some bushiness, it gives my brows some more color, so why should I want to try anything else? It's not even like a very crucial step for me, but I don't know. Just kind of makes everything look a little nicer. Taking from NYX the shade Peekaboo Neutral. It's one of my favorites. It's a, as the name suggests, a very neutral kind of color. It's pinky, rosy, so I'm not going to overline my lips. I'm only going to outline them. Lipstick I'm taking from Milk Makeup. It's kind of like a cheek and lipstick and it's in the shade Werk. I'm just dotting that. And now we have to put on gloss because Madison always has very glossy lips. I'm taking from Fenty Beauty the Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Alright, that is the makeup complete. I hope I did well. I think so, I guess. Going to take off my hair clips. Okay, now it's time for jewelry. I think everybody has seen that she always likes to wear some big golden hoops that I usually don't wear. I usually wear silver. I just don't feel that comfortable in gold at the moment because I'm a little bit more pale. So I also got a pearl necklace. I know that hers is from Vivienne Westwood, but I don't have that. So this is one from my mom. I have no idea where she got it. It's old. The earrings are from kind of like a carnival store, like nothing special, and I just painted some translucent nail polish over it because they were matte so that they have shine. That is how DIY I am. I'm going to put on one gold ring in my index finger, no, in my middle finger, on the pinky, because when she takes photos she usually has her rings like this. I don't have Cartier jewelry, so that's that. Add a Figaro necklace. Just gonna wear these two necklaces together. I think that's fine. So I did my hair. I added this fake ponytail, but I don't know how I feel about it because I think this gave me more of an Ariana style vibe. I don't know how I like it. This is not what I thought. I switched to my outfit. I have a black leather jacket on. I'm going to show you in a moment from a different angle. I had an inspiration of hers. I think it was at a party or something. She was wearing a black, very oversized leather jacket, but she had a white bra on. Now this bra definitely doesn't fit me anymore. It's very tight on my upper body and I still don't feel the cups in, but that's okay. This is what I came up with. I just have some high-waisted, I'm so sorry. I feel very exposed, to be honest. I wish I had her confidence to walk around like this and not feel completely naked, but yeah, that is it. That is the look. I feel like I'm going to a party. I think I did this very well. I'm a little bit unsure with the ponytail. I just left it in now because why not? And yeah, that is the completed Madison Beer inspired makeup and outfit. So quickly switch my outfit to something a little bit more cute with this cardigan and these earrings. And this kind of reminds me now of her newest music video, Boyish. I really hope this maybe also helped someone out who is as fair as I am. I think we see a lot of the time on Pinterest, especially a lot of girls who are very tan, and maybe we start to feel a little bit, you know, not very confident. I have struggled with my skin color for many years. People say I'm too light, I look sickly, or whatever it is, and I don't even understand why someone would comment on skin color. Why do people care about how someone's body looks or how someone's skin tone looks? Maybe this showed you can definitely glam yourself up. I was just very inspired by her makeup, and I wanted to portray that on my fair skin and show you it looks just as beautiful as it does on Madison or on anybody else who may have a different skin tone. Makeup is not about skin color. Your skin tone, no matter what, you can do whatever you like. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there, because if I struggled sometimes with my skin tone, thinking I'm too light, and seeing all those beautiful women on Pinterest or on Instagram looking all bronzed, start to kind of feel like you also have to. I went through a phase, I did self-tan. There's nothing wrong with tanning if it makes you comfortable. There's nothing wrong with embracing your natural skin tone. Nothing. There is nothing wrong. You do you. Some people still get like kind of like, you're Portuguese, but you're so pale. Oh yeah, excuse me. I did not know that I had to be tan to be Portuguese. In fact, many people in Portugal are as fair as I am because they have more sun exposure, because I don't live in Portugal at the moment. They are more tan. I think it's funny when someone tells me that just because I'm not dark enough that I'm not Portuguese. Skin color definitely does not define your nation or your nationality or your culture at all. It's just skin color. It's just about melanin production. What are we talking about? A lot of my uncles, they are super white when I don't wear a shirt. They literally have that white shirt look. Their arms are super tan, but they are naturally just as fair as I am. It's that simple. It's just sun exposure. I had a lot of fun filming this. It was kind of different for me. I don't usually wear this much makeup, and I mean, I know I didn't do like a full face. I still kind of tried to keep it in my comfort zone. Outfit wise, I don't think it's that hard. I think Madison has a very casual style and it's easy to kind of take inspiration from. She usually also wears like big sweaters, big hoodies. So this is kind of like the more party-like version. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me down below what you think. Would you wear it? Makeup, outfit, hair, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye! Jesus, this thing is heavy. It's all not real.